How's it going? I know. I'm gonna be all right. I'm gonna live through this, guys. God, oh my God. Okay, so y'all know I just started trading and everything, and today I'm trading PLTR. And guys, I've been doing so good on PLTR. I promise you, I've taken about 7 trades and I've won 6. I've only lost one time. Now, this option that I'm playing do not expire until tomorrow. Guys, let's share this. We need some more people to see this. Somebody come look at this. So the earnings call, like on the third or so. When they had that earnings call, I'm gonna show y'all. Let's go back and look at this at the 1 week time frame. When they had the earnings call, this is where PLTR was. It was about $80 or so. It was at its normal high, meaning that it was gonna, if it was acting normal, it was gonna hit the high and then drop back down to 70, 68 or so. Well, after the earnings call on the third, PLTR reached an all-time high, and this is an all-time high, the highest it's ever been. We can look at all right here. My computer is running slow because my Wi-Fi, and guys, I need options when it comes down to internet on the go, like because my phone Wi-Fi slows down. I have a hotspot, AT&T hotspot device. I might have to start using that. Anyway, it doesn't want to show us all, so let's not mess up our chart. So let's go back to our 1 week time frame. Look at this. Somebody come look at this. All right, so I'm trading PLTR, guys. The trade is not going my way right now, and I did not set stop loss. So I'm losing, meaning that the most that I can lose is what I invested. So that's a good part, that we can only lose our investment. Now, in this particular scenario, guys, and while this is loading, let's take a look at this scenario. It'll load up because who knows. Anyway, if this doesn't load, we'll just talk it through. Look, I spent 260. I bet that it was going to go down to 102. So I put a put call option. A put means that you're betting that it's down. So that's what I did. This is where I messed up. First of all, I normally wait at least 15 minutes before I enter a trade. I got some good advice on that. That has been working. Today, I didn't wait 15 minutes before I entered the trade. I just already knew that I was going to bet on the downside, which is okay. But look what I messed up on. The expiration date. Guys, right here, I've been betting on the 214 expiration date. But here, I bet on the expiration date of the 7th. Oh my God. And today's the 6th. So this contract expires tomorrow. So if it doesn't do what I need to do tomorrow, then um I'm in doo-doo, but we learn from our losses, guys. So hopefully you guys are going to learn from me. But hey, it doesn't mean we're going to lose on this, okay? But it's looking ugly because I did not set a stop loss, guys. Judge me if you want. I didn't set a stop loss because I am pretty confident it's going to come down. And this is where I'm going to find out whether me and this PLTR situation, this stock, I want to find out if we're really friends, because maybe at the end of this, we might not even be friends. And I thought we had a relationship that, maybe it's not all of what it came out to be. Anyway, check this out. Out of about $260, I've lost so far $223 and going up. The stock is trading at 107.99. Okay. This okay, the market opened at Palantir trading at 101. Now, this is not actually too bad. It's actually not even 12 o'clock. You know, the stock market opened at 8:30. So it's only been a few hours. The stock market closes today at 3:30. So we have a few hours for things to regulate, but I did not set a stop loss. And also going back, I probably wouldn't have set a stop loss. So it's either I'm finna lose money and learn a real good lesson, or this thing is finna turn around in my favor and I'm just gonna be like, we besties, we go together. But either way it go, there's gonna be a lesson to be learned today with this much money on the line, okay? Look at this. This stock, somebody come look at this. This stock is constantly increasing, guys. Let's see if our charts have decided to load up yet. So yeah, this stock is constantly going up, and I bet that it was gonna go down. Good thing is this contract does not expire until tomorrow. So we have until like 11 a.m. where it is now until about 3:30 p.m. And that's gonna close out the trading hours. No more trading until 8:30 tomorrow, and then we have from 8:30 tomorrow until 3:30. And then after that it's over with because this contract expires tomorrow. So yeah, y'all look at this. It's trading at 108.24, constantly going up. I bet that it was gonna be down like down here somewhere. Hold on. Is this the 1 day chart? It don't look like the 1 day. Hold on. Let's make sure it's on the 1 day time frame. Put it on 1 week and 1 day. Oh, it's on the 1 minute interval. I normally don't trade on the 1 minute interval. I don't do that. I always do my trades on the 5 minute interval. Guys. Now, if it comes back down, I may do a stop loss because $260, to be honest, is a lot to lose right now. Now, it has been coming down a little bit. Um, right now, it's up here at 108. This is the highest it's ever been. I should have betted that it was going to go up. But looking at this chart right here, y'all let me know what should I have seen right here that could have indicated to me that this was going to go up, because I'm new at reading charts and I promise you this looks so much like a sideways like trend that it was kind of hard for me to tell whether it was going to go up or down. I don't really even see no momentum to the upside. So how was I going to know? How was I going to know? I'm going on the laws of physics, guys. Whatever goes up must come down, okay? That's the law that I'm going off of right now. And honestly, Palantir doesn't really go up to 108. This is like the highest it's ever been. So it has to come down, right? Question is when, because this contract expires on the 7th. That's my biggest mistake. It wasn't necessarily not setting the stop loss. It wasn't necessarily getting into the trade too fast. My biggest mistake I see so far was this expiration date of tomorrow. It could have been the 14th. It could have been a week or two out, and I know that this stock would have had time to come down. So, guys, I just want to come on here and just so it doesn't look like I'm always showing my wins. Sometimes I don't make the best decisions when I'm trading, and I think it's important to show that. But even so, I still could win on this. But I just want you guys to know all of the emotions in between when you thought it was going to go one way. I thought it was going to go down from here. I thought it was going to go down. But it went up, and it's going up. And honestly, it's starting to level out, just to be honest, just to kind of like not beat myself up some more. It is kind of leveling out. This was like a sharp swing up, but from here to here, it is starting to like sideways, and to me that indicates a change of direction. So yeah, hopefully it does roll on down so I can make some money. So it's at 108. It needs to start coming down to like 102, 100 between today and tomorrow in order for this to be profitable for me. So I mean, that's where I'm at with this. And every time I see these red candles, I get so excited because I want this to come down um because you know, and if you don't, look how much money I got on the line. Guys, if this turn around, I'm gonna let you guys know the truth. Or you can follow the market yourself. If it doesn't get to 101 and below by 3:30 Central tomorrow, then I lost on this. But if it does, then I won, and that'll be my third day this week winning. And it's Wednesday, so if it turns around and I don't lose this 200 some dollars, then this will be my third day winning. We gotta lose some, but I don't want it to be today. I just don't want maybe tomorrow. I don't want to lose today, guys. But I mean, I don't know if I bet in the wrong direction. I mean, look, it's at 107, 108, 107. How far up can it go? And like I said, it did its big one already. It's already done its big one. So I don't know. I don't want to bore y'all and have y'all sit here and watch this with me, but maybe I can catch it. If it does come all the way down like I needed to, maybe I can catch it and show you guys that the day was saved overall after all. But what is this chart telling you guys? Do I have any traders in here? I mean, of course it went up. I got that part. I did not see that happening. Looking at these candles, I did not see that happening. And I am a technical trader. Maybe something fundamental was happening. Maybe something happened with Palantir, like changing some type of fundamental things. Like sometimes fundamental things changing CEO, a new product or a new launch. Maybe something happened today. If y'all know what happens today, let me know because I don't keep up with it. Neither do I really want to. I think that could be a distraction for me personally. I just like to learn what the numbers and the chart is saying to me. And again, I've only lost on Palantir one time. So I don't want this to be my second time losing on Palantir. I've won on Palantir 6 times. So this is like, I believe this is like my seventh trade. So yeah, man, I have like a 90% win rate. So I thank God for that. So if I do lose on this one, I'm definitely going to take a lesson. Some early lessons that I already have is, first of all, wait 15 minutes or more before I jump into the trade so that I can identify a clear direction. Because if I would have waited, I would have saw all of this right here happening. And maybe I would not have jumped into this trade with the intention that it was going to go down when I saw this happening. But because I didn't wait and I was so anxious, this happened. Secondly, because I didn't wait and I was so anxious, I just jumped into the trade without setting the correct expiration date of what I wanted to do. I wanted to set the expiration date at least a week out, but I set it so that this expires tomorrow. That is risky. That's what I learned. And then thirdly, unfortunately, I did not set a stop loss. So all this money right here could be lost. I could go in instead of stop loss, but it just don't make sense at this point to me personally. Because it's already lost 85%. What I'm gonna say, oh, I only want to lose 95%. Like, no. Um, but yeah, so we're hoping this regulates, comes down. If it comes down, what I'm gonna have to do, and Lord, please let me work on doing what I said I know I need to do. Because sometimes you get greedy when you're trading, guys. It's like you see that you made a $10 profit or a $20 profit, and you're like, no, I'm not gonna close that trade until I make $100 profit. That's the type of person I am, and it's been working for me this week. I made 115 yesterday within 3 hours. 117 the day before that. I made 10 or 15, within the same 2 or 3 hours. And today, here we are. We are at a loss of 220, but that doesn't mean that we haven't closed this position. So it can turn around. And yeah, we don't win every day. That doesn't mean we're gonna lose today, guys. This expires tomorrow, so y'all stay tuned. I am gonna be so honest about whether, because I put 260 in here. I can't make this up. If you can see, I'm at a negative 220, and then this 37 means that the contract is worth 37. So you add that together. This is how much I put in, which is like 260. Um, so the most I can lose is 260. That's good. It doesn't blow up my account. I was in the positive 521 this morning as far as the money that I'm setting aside to trade. So good thing I didn't put everything in. Um, as I think it's gonna turn around though. It looks ugly. I mean, it looks so ugly, but I really believe that this is gonna go down. Look, there's not a lot of momentum to the upside. Like right here, there was a lot of momentum. Oh, it pushed it all the way up, but now it's like having trouble getting higher than 107. So 107, maybe 108 looks like it's a resistance zone right now. Um, it's really not a very clear support zone, which is maybe a good thing. I really think it's going to come down. So outside of that, I just want to share with you guys how it's going. I normally close my trades by now. I normally collect my little hunt done and I'm out and I'm over here like, yeah, look, I did it. But today's a little different. So it's at 1079. This is what the chart looking like. This is what my losses are looking like. But it's not over. It's not over. It's not over until tomorrow at 3:30. And hopefully I can get out of this today in the profit. If I can get out of it today, I'm gonna come back and let you guys know. If not, we're gonna let this thing roll over until tomorrow. So that being said, I'll see you guys. You know what I'm saying? I need this to come down. So y'all got some PLTR, just sell it. Just sell it so we can breathe it. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna see you guys on the next video. Thanks.